In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a scratch in this countertop with a Sharpie marker.
Start by coloring the scratch.
In one of my first ever videos, I showed you how to fix a scratch in a countertop with a Sharpie marker.
The repair will not be invisible.
So for this video, I'm going to show you how I hide the scratch in this countertop. You're never really going to get rid of the scratch, but you can hide it. Because of the color of this countertop, it makes it easier to hide the scratch. If you look closely, you can see where I started repairing the scratch already. Instead of a bright white scratch, now we have a light blue scratch. I tried using a light blue Sharpie, and I also tried using a light blue highlighter. Neither one of these worked very well, so I went with the dark blue Sharpie. I started by coloring in the line. I found that doing small sections of the scratch at a time made it easier to wipe the ink off the countertop. Then I take a rag with mineral spirits and start wiping the ink. After wiping with mineral spirits, I spray the area with Sparkle glass cleaner. And I keep rubbing the area until I get just enough of the ink out to hide the scratch. I'm using a lot of pressure at this point to clean the marker, which is good because you don't want to take the ink out too fast, otherwise you'd have to reapply. You can see here the blue line is a lot less visible than the white line. If you don't know the scratch is there, you can barely see it. I will say with the deeper scratches, this method did not work very well. If I would have had the metallic Sharpies, I think I could have hid the deeper scratches better. The scratch on this counter was over 4 foot long, so I went back over some of the areas until I was happy with the repair. By doing this, I took something that was really bad and turned it into something much more acceptable. Just as a recap, I used a dark blue Sharpie. You can also use a dark blue Milwaukee permanent marker, mineral spirits, and Sparkle glass cleaner. And this was the glass cleaner I had at the time. Not sure how other glass cleaners work. I would imagine they work just as well. If you do use another one, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know how it works. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. Until next time, thanks for watching.